So 25 years of attending different trade shows, conferences, summits, and things like that. This has by far been the best format and opportunity, and structure, I should say, that we've ever worked with.
We shared a lot of what we do with a lot of customers that we spoke to, gained a lot of insight from customers that we were speaking to.
A great event. We were matched up with the people that we targeted and had mutual interest and mutual goals aligned with, so it was really great overall.
We had a lot of great sessions, and a lot of people visited us. They had intention of buying, investing in technology, so it was a great show overall.
They match us up with potential customers we would love to have discussions with, and it matches up those companies that would be interested in utilizing our services and like to know more about our company. We could not be happier with the structure and the team and the support of Generis. It's been a wonderful experience.